Hello, it's here. That's right, the new Yosemite from Mac OS X. And yeah, we're gonna cover what's new. I'm pretty excited. You should be pretty excited because these are exciting times. Anyways, these following top features, they were introduced at Apple by Apple at WWDC. Um, I believe you're only supposed to mention this since Yosemite is still under the NDAs, and we're supposed to kind of only talk about the features that Apple has officially introduced, okay? So this video, and only this video, we're going to follow the guidelines, okay? I've included some publicly known features. So, some of the features that we're going to be looking at will include the new look and feel. That's a big one for everyone. New additions to the notification center, some improvements to Spotlight search, okay? Of course, for those who don't know, what is iCloud Drive, and then a few more other little things. So we're going to start off with the look and feel, and here's a glimpse of what the system looks like. You'll notice that there's a translucent dock now, which replaces the 3D dock from the previous version of OS X. There's also translucent sidebars and also a translucent menu bar. Okay. And of course, translucent windows. So basically, this is intended to give users a better feel of where they are in the operating system. And also, there's a translucent menu throughout the whole entire operating system, which is right there. All right, and now we're going to move on to Notification Center. The first thing you will notice is that it also has the same translucent material. Cool. We also can see the Today view, which is up there, from the iOS, which is then moved to the OS X. And so now that we have a Today screen as well as notifications, and the other noticeable difference is the addition of widgets, which can be custom built. Here we see the App Store for widgets, which will take you to a section in the App Store that contains widget-enabled apps. And moving on to Spotlight Search, which is accessed via this little magnifying glass icon that you see. When you press on it, it will get you to this big search field in the middle of the screen where we can pretty much search whatever we want, everything. And I'm talking about local files. Okay, that's one thing. You can also search for things on the web. Okay, and what we do is when we type in a few characters, the first thing we'll notice is an auto completion, which is basically Spotlight guessing what you're looking for. So here we see the local results from the computer itself, and here we see the searches from the web, which is basically online content. And for those who don't know what iCloud Drive is, it's basically the Apple version of Dropbox. Yes, this is where you can access it via the sidebar finder, and any file you drop there will be accessible to any other Mac using that same Apple ID. In addition to the iCloud enabled apps like Number and Text Edit, we can also have our own files there. So that's a great way to move files around, as you can see. And last but not least, we're going to show a couple other notable features of Yosemite. And the first one is handoff. No, it's not football. I'm not handing you a football off. But what it basically means is that when you start a document, let's say you start a page document on your iPhone or iPad, you can continue the work from your Mac computer. And vice versa. You can go back and forth. It's like ping pong, right? So that's what handoff is. And it works with many other applications as well, like email and web browsing. Then the next feature we have is SMS and Call Forwarding. Basically, you're at your crib, and you got your Wi-Fi network, or you're at your business. And what happens is all the calls and text messages gets routed to your Mac. So you basically would answer a phone the same way you would answer a FaceTime call, and you would also read and reply to text messages the same way you would do so in what? That's right, you guessed it, iMessage. So another cool little feature. And mail enhancements. These are also included in the markup. Basically, getting to draw images in mail. and also iCloud sharing for email attachments. So most email servers have a size limit to the files you can attach in your messages. But what this Apple has done and introduced is the ability to basically upload those files to the iCloud and the share link to the other party. So you're basically circumventing the size limit, and you can upload up to 5 gigabytes. That's right. Big baller, shot caller. So that takes care of this video. I hope you enjoyed it.